Welcome to What's My Recipe? Starring Peach Betty.
Today's request comes from Denise.
Hey, Peach Betty. I would love to have the Jell-O Parfaits from back in the day. Can you hook me up? Thanks.
Anytime, Denise. I have the perfect book for that. The Jell-O Pudding Ideabook from 1968 has a whole list of high-style parfaits. Today, I'm going to show you the banana split parfait. Of course, it all starts with a package of
Jell-O pudding.
Just cook it according to the directions on the box. We have
Chocolate.
yummy chocolate pudding.
I love chocolate. Let's try that.
For the other layer, you can choose vanilla pudding or banana pudding. We chose white chocolate. Now that our pudding has chilled in the fridge, it's time to whisk it together until it's nice and fluffy.
We're whisking.
Yeah, we're whisking.
Yeah, whisking. Can we have a bite, please?
Sure, how could we not try it? One for Mom, and one for Sullivan.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's clean off our whisk the best way we know how, and grab a
Glass.
It's time to construct our parfait. Once we clean ourselves up, we need 2 spoons, and start by adding your first scoop of pudding. 1 scoop of dark chocolate,
And 1 of white chocolate.
Okay, how about you build one and I'll build one over here.
I will mine. Look, there's some chocolate on the spoon.
Now it's time for
A banana.
slice them right before you add them to your pudding. That way they don't turn brown. Put them on top of your first layer and then add some chocolate sauce. We now need to add chopped peanuts.
Ooh, chopped nuts. Right.
First sprinkle them in here.
Okay.
Nice job. Now it's time for our next layer of white chocolate.
I'm gonna have some brown chocolate.
Try and keep your pudding scoops as even as possible. Add another layer of yummy bananas, followed by the chocolate sauce. It might be better if we make it in the cup. Don't forget more peanuts, and then start all over again. Really focus on getting all the layers nice and even. So much so that you don't know what's going on around you. What will you add next, Sullivan?
I don't know. How about some white chocolate? Alright. And some brown chocolate. Put it all together. Okay, here's mine.
Nice. What do you think?
It's good.
I'm just finishing mine off with more chocolate, some more peanuts. Looking good, but no parfait is complete without...
But
That's right. Here's a little taste for you, Sullivan.
I want to eat some.
I think I'll try some too. Don't be stingy with this. Pile it high. And of course it's time for...
Some cherries! Okay, thank you. Dark.
And then pull.
Let's find the perfect cherry to put on top.
I'm gonna put it on.
Ta-da!
Oh, look at that! You do a good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Let's try some more.
Good idea. Do you want the cherry?
Yes.
you have a recipe you missed from your childhood, send Peach Betty an email. You might be the next one on What's My Recipe?